How to add ask button on Tumblr. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how you can easily add the ask button on your profile on Tumblr. Go ahead and install the application and open it up. Once you open your Tumblr, you can find the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just head over there, and then from here you can just tap on the settings icon at the top right. Once you land on the settings page, you're going to have to just scroll down and go to your account settings. So once you are here, you can find the option called Let People Ask Questions. You just want to toggle this on. So if you turn this off, you won't be able to see the Ask Me Anything page or the button. But if you go to settings and turn this one on, it will allow people to ask you certain questions. You could also turn on anonymous ask so that the person who asked the question, their identity will be anonymous. And you can also allow ask with media so people can upload pictures and ask you things. Now, if you want to customize your title, you can go to ask page title and then just change it to whatever you want. So let's say um, I can just type in ask me and then just tap on save. Now, if I go back to my profile, here you'll see the Ask Me button, and if people tap on it, here they can just question me, and since I've turned on the media option, they can turn on the media and upload media as well. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.